So now I've got my good old fashioned baking paper. Why use tracing paper when you don't have to? I think that'll be fine like that. I've got some washi tape here to tape it down so it doesn't move while I'm tracing. So with the Col-Erase pencils, I think that they would be absolutely stunning, just for doing rough sketches, ideas, concepts rather, in a sketchbook, because it's so easy to change your mind, as you've seen, whenever you like. Another idea with your tracing paper is to try and get it to a point where it won't move as much as possible. And you're probably like, why are you going to trace this? Well, I want to do a mirror image, so I'm going to show you how. Which isn't too hard to figure out, but in case you don't know, you will know after this. Just going to have to be careful around those edges. Hopefully the washi tape won't rip my paper. Not getting so much left in. Because the paper was rolled, that's why. Might just put another clip in there. That might help the situation. Tracing paper done. For those, I think I will use a graphite pencil. I don't know whether these Col-Erase will work, but you can give it a go. What's the darkest colour we've got here? Indigo blue, violet. We'll try violet, shall we? Nice and sharp. Alright, so we'll start down here. Oh, that's right, I said I was going to get a clip. Not particularly. Oh, you can just ditch the clip and hold it down. Alright. Try not to get in the frame. It looks like the Col-Erase does work on here. So just try and keep your paper as flat and true as possible. and it's pretty straightforward what we're doing now, so I don't see why I couldn't fast forward this when it comes to editing. Right, all done there. So the idea is that we are going to be able to put this, oops, forgot a bit, put this under a light box, under another piece of paper, and then we'll be able to do a mirror image onto the other side of the paper. And also I'll be able to put it on a larger piece of paper if I want to as well. Just a bit concerned that the lines are quite thin. But anyway, we'll see how we get on. Washi tape is so useful. Darken some of these lines after I get it off. Maybe even put some ink on it. Now, time to unplug the light. That's a bit better. Right, now what glue do we use that one? Right, that should be it. Excuse me, pop. Turn the light back on. Ta-da! So, and his hair's all through the washi tape now. How cool was that? Oops. You won't be able to see this, but I can. I missed a line. So, how cool is that? So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this little fun, different kind of video. If this is the kind of stuff that you're more interested in, please do let me know, and I will do my best to show more stuff like this. Until I see you next time, keep on doodling.